I started my day. There's a lot of traffic, but an amazing view on the other side. It's time to take exit. I'm at job at 7:26. Walking towards to the door. I'm the first one in the shop. As you see, there is nobody here. This is a tough time when you wait without work. And still it's not 8. I'm ready with my shoes, with my toolbox open. And now let's see when the work comes, and I'll show you my work then. 2011 Scion XT, no start diagnosed. So customer bought like a battery 3 weeks ago from the dealer, and there is no reaction while turning the key on. Let's have a look. There is the car. Let's see what we can find now. Now I'm using the power pusher to bring the car in. A look, and we'll see how many voltage right now this one have. I have the Mac tool one, which is good, 12.6, so it should be good for to start the car. Let's have a look next. Now let's have a look. Where is the starter, and there is a power is coming or not. So now this one is all time positive. Right now the key is on, so I have the power there. Now I have to see while it cranking there is a power here or not. Let's have a look. Let's see. Crank. Leave. Crank. Crank. Okay. So I have a power here while cranking. So that means the starting system up to the starter, the wiring has no issue, no fuse, nothing. So now maybe there is an issue with the starter. Let's have a look. Take this one off, and one of the bolt is right there. This one. Other 14 is right here. And then I think the positive one was 12, and then it will be come out. Remove the battery cable just in case. Then taking it out. Carefully. So 2 bolts is right there. One more car for safety. Second car of the day. It's a 2007 BMW X3 right here. Let's see now what I can find. So I installed this one, and now let's go and start it again. Let's go and try to start. On. Ah, it started. Turn it off. Okay, this is good. It's time for the lunch. Let's go. I'll meet you after lunch. He called me again. Now let's see what I'm getting. There's nothing in it. It's just a better taste on 2017 Mercedes G300. Let's see. So after finishing tires, I install a new tire, and then I done with the alignment. I'm showing you. This is the after that I did, and this is the before. I have one more car, 2015 Dodge Ram Promaster City 2.4 liter cooling and heating system. It is overheating. Now let's have a look what is the problem in it. So yeah, if there is a problem with cooling and heating system, right, like the temperature gauge is going up and all stuff, so what you do, you go to any setting, make it this one, or turn the AC on front. Now see if there is a cooling system here, or check the radiator fan is on or not. So first and all, so radiator fan is working. So now we are safe on one side, that okay, radiator fan is working, right? Now I'm turning it off. Now I will check, is there any coolant leaking. Checking this one first. So coolant level is good, right? It doesn't look like leaking from the top, but let's go up and then we'll see. So if thermostat is not working, it also there is a chances for overheating because thermostat is not open and all. Coolant spot, leaking spot is here, there, right here also. And if you see carefully, coolant leaking spot right there too. And upstairs there is a thermostat. So if you follow these things, it is the, so coolant is leaking from the thermostat. Now let's see. That is the thermostat. If you see this pipe, looks like it is leaking, but let's see which exactly what it is leaking. Yeah, it's time to go home. This guy is still here. So what happened? Oh, sorry, I didn't forget. So to tell you, so I opened this thing, and then the coolant came out. If you see, can see easily. So that means the water pump is working, and then thermostat didn't leak while I was testing. And yeah, I start the car, running the car for 30 minutes or around, and then the radiator fan came on, and inside the heating gauge was not on. So I thought everything is good as far as, and I'm gonna talk to the customer tomorrow morning, and then we'll see from there. So after changing clothes, I'm gonna throw the clothes right there. So shirt is right here, and pants right. Toolbox is all locked. Yeah, walking towards the home. It is almost 11 hours. Tired. See you tomorrow, guys. See you. Jai Shri Ram.